Since 2012, I have been the course director for the international course on wood conservation technology, together with NTNU in Trondheim and ICCROM in Rome. The international course on wood conservation technology was developed after recommendation by UNESCO in 1983 at the General Conference, as it was felt that there was a lack of training possibilities for professionals working with wood. What makes this course so unique is that it brings together many different professions who all work with wooden cultural heritage. The course is designed to break down the barriers between the different disciplines and also break down the barriers between academia and traditional craft. The knowledge of how to conserve and preserve wood is so important. Wood is a universal material. It's used all over the world in constructions, buildings and objects. On the curriculum there's wood anatomy, there's biodegradation, there's structural damage on buildings, there's also the conservation of objects, and we have practical workshops, excursions, museum visits. Climate change has also become an increasingly important part of the curriculum. Throughout the course, students are encouraged to think about international charters and conventions, principles relating to wooden cultural heritage, and think about how their own work is guided by these principles. The course is held every other year, normally over 6 weeks, with a 2-week preparatory online theoretical part to the course and then 4-week practical workshops in Norway. Being a lecturer on the course is very challenging. All the students are professionals and experts within their own fields. Of course, I hope that the participants take home with them an increased knowledge of diagnosing and choosing the best method of treatment for damaged wood. But I also hope the participants take home with them a good network that they can use in their professions for many years to come.